Have you ever wondered why some businesses just get it right? They know exactly what you need, even before you do. It's not magic, it's market research. Yes, folks, the art and science of understanding your audience, predicting their needs, and shaping strategies based on facts, not hunches. But what exactly is market research, and why does it matter? How do companies from household brands to celebrities use it to stay ahead? That's our journey today. Buckle up. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for Cashcraft 360. We're here to guide your entrepreneurial journey every step of the way. What is market research? Let's start with the basics. Market research, as defined by Philip Kotler in marketing management, is the process of gathering, analyzing, and interpreting information about a market. This includes learning about your target audience, competitors, and the overall industry environment. Think of it as your business compass. Without it, well, you're sailing blind. But let me ask you something. Would you bake a cake without checking the recipe first? That's what businesses are doing. If they skip market research, they're guessing. And we're here to eliminate guesswork. Market research, in its basic form, comes in two main flavors. 1. Primary research. This is the hands-on, direct method. You go out into the field and collect data yourself. This could be through surveys, interviews, focus groups, or observations. For example, Nike asking athletes directly, what makes the perfect running shoe? 2. Secondary research. This involves analyzing existing data reports, studies, and statistics collected by someone else. Think of it as borrowing someone else's homework but applying it to your project. Now, let's spice it up with some tools and techniques. Surveys, quick, scalable, and powerful for understanding broad consumer behavior. Google Forms, or Typeform, are excellent for this. Focus groups, a small, curated discussion with your target audience. It's like hosting a brainstorming party, where you learn how people feel about your product. Competitor analysis, tools like SEMrush or SpyFu let you peek into what your competitors are doing. Don't worry, it's totally legal. Social media listening, platforms like BrandWatch analyze online chatter about your brand or industry. If you want to know what Gen Z thinks about your new gadget, look no further. Heat maps and clickstream analysis, tools like Hodger, show how users interact with your website. Where did they click? Where did they leave? It's like having X-ray vision for your website. So, why does this all matter? Why are companies pouring millions into research? The answer lies in the very essence of business: to meet consumer needs and make smart decisions. Here's where market research shines. 1. Understanding consumer needs. People often say, the customer is always right, but how do you know what's right if you don't ask them? Research helps businesses uncover what their audience really wants, not just what they think they want. 2. Mitigating risks. Launching a new product or entering a new market without research is like playing poker without knowing the rules. Research minimizes surprises and helps you avoid costly mistakes. 3. Shaping marketing strategies. Who are you targeting? Where do they hang out? How do they consume information? Market research provides these answers, so you can craft campaigns that truly resonate. 4. Predicting trends. Remember when plant-based food started trending? Companies like Beyond Meat saw that wave coming years in advance, thanks to market research. Now, they're riding high while competitors scramble to catch up. Segmentation and targeting through market research. In a wild meaning, market research doesn't just tell you what people want, it helps you understand who wants what. This is called market segmentation. It's a process of dividing your audience into distinct groups based on factors like demographics, psychographics, behavior, or geography. For instance, demographics, like age, gender, income level, or education. If you observe luxury watch brand, it targets high-income professionals aged 30 to 50. Behavioral segmentation, on the other side, analyzes purchasing habits, brand loyalty, or product usage. Netflix, for example, tracks viewer behavior to recommend shows and create personalized marketing. Now, why does this matter? I'll tell you. Simply because knowing your audience helps craft messaging that resonates. A message tailored to a young Gen Z audience will look vastly different, of course, from one aimed at retirees. Predictive analytics and market research. Modern market research leverages predictive analytics to anticipate future trends based on past data. This is especially useful for industries that are rapidly evolving, such as fashion. Amazon, for example, uses predictive algorithms to anticipate what customers might want next. Ever notice the attractive title, "Customers Who Bought This Also Bought," as recommendations? That's research-backed prediction in action. Such research has a great practical impact. Businesses can stock inventory, design marketing campaigns, and even develop new products based on these predictions. For example, a clothing retailer might anticipate demand for eco-friendly materials and launch a sustainable fashion line. Market research, on the other hand, helps identifying gaps in the market. It can reveal untapped opportunities. Sometimes, businesses focus on the most obvious customer needs and miss niche markets with high potential. For example, Lego identified a gender gap in its customer base and conducted research to design Lego Friends, a product line targeted at young girls. This move expanded their market share significantly. Uber also realized a gap in affordable, convenient transport in urban areas, leading to its disruptive rideshare model. Markets evolve, and so do consumer preferences. Businesses that succeed view market research not as a one-time activity but as a continuous process. Spotify constantly analyzes listening trends to curate personalized playlists and recommend new artists. Meanwhile, McDonald's frequently updates its menu based on regional tastes, using customer surveys and sales data. Social media has transformed market research by offering instant feedback. Tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social help businesses track mentions, hashtags, and sentiment analysis in real time. When Dove launched Real Beauty campaign, it monitored online reactions closely to refine its messaging and avoid missteps. Finally, it's the AI. Artificial intelligence tools are transforming market research by analyzing massive datasets faster than ever before. Tools like IBM Watson or Tableau provide actionable insights from complex data. Zara, for example, uses AI to predict fashion trends based on customer preferences, allowing it to design and deliver trending clothing lines faster than competitors. Let me bring this to life for you. Let's revisit the Starbucks example, but expand it with a new twist. Ever notice how Starbucks seems to know what drink you'll crave next season? Starbucks didn't just ask customers what they wanted, they went deeper. By analyzing foot traffic, studying consumer habits, like preferring a cozy environment for remote work, and even conducting ethnographic studies, they understood their audience better than anyone. This led to innovations like drive-thrus in suburban areas, and mobile ordering through the Starbucks app. They use social media listening, customer feedback, and sales data to predict trends. Pumpkin spice latte in the fall? That wasn't luck. It was strategic research, identifying the seasonal appeal of comfort flavors. So, let me ask you, have you ever made a big decision, whether it's choosing a product to buy, a career path to follow, or even picking a restaurant, without proper research? If yes, how did that turn out? Businesses face these choices every day, but on a much larger scale. Market research ensures they're making the right calls, not relying on gut instincts alone. Market research isn't just a tool, it's the foundation of a successful business. It's how you understand your audience, navigate competition, and predict the future. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or running a multi-million-dollar empire, research is your secret weapon. As Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, famously said, "We see our customers as invited guests to a party, and we are the hosts." It's our job every day to make every important aspect of the customer experience a little bit better. How do they make it better? You guessed it correctly. It's market research. So next time you hear about a brand crushing it in the market, remember, there's a mountain of data behind their success. And that, my friends, is the magic of market research. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, then share it with your friends. See you in the next step to your goal, my friends.